This is the Pink Lotus show, all happening at Bohemian Gallery. We have a lot of brands covering your footwear, kids wear, bed linens, and something like what I'm wearing. There is one brand providing up to 70% off. This is from that collection. And then we have ethnic wear, Navratri collection, jewelry, jutis है हमारे पास, table wear, so literally everything for 2 days, today and tomorrow. Swipe left to check that out.
Hi, so this is Label Anuja Ahmedabad. We have these kind of linen cord sets. We have lots of variety in this and sizes of course. And we are offering 10% off on linens. Something like this in crepe. This is also on sale. Then our specialty, these have 70% off. Yes, something like I am wearing. This is on 40% off, and this is the entire range in which we have chaniya cholis, dresses, and this is our collection in Malchanderi. Pretty. Yeah, do visit.
Hi, my name is Nirjari and my brand name is Smart Look Boutique.
Yes.
We have a festive collection right now. This kind of kaftans. Then we have linen shirts also. Then we have some frocks in this kind of variety which is in muslin silk. Then we have some cool summer as well as festive collection weekend. Then we have this kind of heavy wedding collection, and in this we are doing customization also. This kind of dhoti and shrug. Pretty. Even we have this kind of festive collection with mirror work with silk. Beautiful. Then we have some cotton handwork pieces which we can use festival as well as in Navratri also.
Very nice. What is this yellow?
Yeah, this is a Abha style kurta with pants.
Beautiful. So this is brand for jewelry. This is Being Bella. Now they have a very nice collection for wedding jewelry, for everyday jewelry, some basic studs, something very pretty statement pieces. ये different stones के साथ आएंगे. The few of their jewelry are silver alloy in the best quality possible. Look at this. So full sets भी हैं. Super pretty. These are very versatile. छोटे मोटे functions में आप पहन सकते हो. Rakhi is coming, so you can gift to your bhabhi something like this or your sisters. देखो ये गलास है. Then they have only long chains. Beautiful. Look at this. Super pretty. Something like that. This is brand Kishori Creation. Hi ma'am.
Hello.
So they are launching the Navratri collection. Let's start with few blouses. Now they can customize into any size and fabrics भी customize हो जाएंगे.
Yes.
All right. Look at it. These are all beautiful blouses. Nice कच्ची work के साथ. We have mirror work, colors में. Look at this. और पूरा विंटेज के साथ ऑल्टरनेक्स है. अरे समथिंग लाइक दिस. ब्लाउजेस की क्या रेंज है मैम?
3500 से लेकर 45,000.
ओके. फिर उनके पास दुपट्टाज हैं वाइट में वर्क के साथ. लुक एट दिस. इनकी क्या प्राइस है मैम? 2000.
Sorry, ये भारत 3000.
And then they have pretty chaniya.
Hi, the brand name is Ventana. So we have a wide collection of bed sheets ranging in fabrics right from plain cotton to cotton satin as well. Sizes available are king size, queen size and single. We can alter them to fit it if required. We also have kids dohas. We have lots of options in prints. The bed sheets are very soft. The color will not fade at all. And we have an offer of flat 50% off on the MRP on the entire collection.
Okay.
Moving on, we also have a kids range. So these are kids wear. We have full pants, half pants. These are all imported fabrics, so they won't shrink in size at all. Full sleeve में भी options है. And again, these are at flat 500. So do visit us.
This is brand Shobha Studio. Let me show you beautiful summer wear they have. देखो पूरा little bit detailing के साथ है, handwork के साथ. They have more such cute pieces. The shorts हैं. Look at that, funky, pretty. ये सब खादी कॉटन है.
खादी कॉटन
Beautiful. Whites में है. Quads में है. This is for 3500. 4000 की रेंज में. ये भी quad है. Nice. And then they have ethnic wear, long anarkalis. अरे वाह, we have it in pink. Okay, beautiful. Oh wow, पूरा खाट वर्क के साथ. Nice. Very pretty. With jacket. So this is brand Table and Toes. Again, they have very pretty footwear. Check these out. Jutis हैं. पूरी soft cushioning के साथ. These are all handwork. Pearl work के साथ. Kardana work if you want something with heels. Like that. Multicolor में. So pretty. Something with pearl. Then we have extra tableware. So these are all very nice. These are hygienic products, dishwasher safe, microwave safe. These are lunch boxes, beauty boxes. Then we have platters, and they have full combos also. Storage boxes हो सकते हैं and lot more.